When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security of your home, few improvements can make as much of an impact as a door replacement. Whether you're looking to update the style of your home or replace a worn-out, inefficient door, hiring a professional door replacement service in Bartow ensures the job is done correctly, efficiently, and safely. Here's what you can expect when you hire a professional for your door replacement project. Consultation and door selection. The first step in the door replacement process is a consultation. A professional service will typically start with an in-home consultation to assess your current door and listen to your needs. Whether you're replacing a front entry door, patio doors, or interior doors, they'll help you choose the best option for your home. This involves discussing style preferences, material options, and functionality. Expect to have a variety of choices, from classic wooden doors to sleek fiberglass or energy-efficient steel models. The experts will also help you understand the advantages of each type of door, whether you're concerned with durability, aesthetics, security, or insulation. The goal is to ensure you select a door that not only matches the look and feel of your home but also meets your specific needs. Accurate measurements and customization. One of the most crucial aspects of a successful door replacement is ensuring the new door fits perfectly. A professional service will take precise measurements of your door frame to ensure the replacement door fits without gaps or misalignments. In some cases, your existing door frame may need adjustments to accommodate a new door, and a skilled technician will know how to handle that. Custom doors are also available if you have specific requirements in terms of size, color, or design. A professional service will also check the condition of the door frame and surrounding structure to ensure everything is in good shape before installing the new door. If any issues are found, such as rot or damage, these will be addressed during the installation process to avoid future complications. Expert installation. Once the door has been selected and the measurements confirmed, the next step is the installation. Professional door replacement services in Bartow have the expertise and tools to carry out the job quickly and efficiently. Whether you're installing an exterior door or an interior one, professionals will ensure the door is properly aligned, securely fastened, and fully functional. They will also take care of the weather stripping, which ensures that the door is sealed correctly to keep drafts and water out. Expect a high level of attention to detail during installation. A professional installer will ensure that all hardware, such as handles, locks, and hinges, are securely attached and function smoothly. Additionally, they'll make sure the door swings open and closed with ease and doesn't stick or rub on the frame. Clean and efficient process. The key benefit of hiring a professional service is the cleanliness and efficiency of the job. Professional installers will protect your floors and surrounding areas from debris and dust during installation. They will also handle all aspects of the job, including removing the old door and disposing of it properly, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Once the installation is complete, the team will clean up the area, leaving your home as clean, or cleaner, than they found it. Energy efficiency and security enhancement. Another important benefit of a professional door replacement is the opportunity to improve the energy efficiency and security of your home. Many older doors, especially those that are poorly insulated, can let in drafts and contribute to high energy bills. A new, energy-efficient door can help regulate the temperature inside your home and reduce your heating and cooling costs. A new door can also enhance your home's security. Professional door replacement services offer options with advanced locking systems, stronger materials, and better weather resistance. This can provide peace of mind knowing your home is safer and better protected. Post-installation support and warranty. After the installation is complete, a professional door replacement service will offer you post-installation support. This may include a warranty on both the materials and labor, which ensures peace of mind knowing that if anything goes wrong with the door, it will be repaired or replaced at no additional cost. In addition, many professional services provide maintenance advice to help you care for your new door, ensuring it lasts for years to come. Regular maintenance checks, like lubricating hinges and inspecting seals, can prevent wear and tear and extend the lifespan of your door. Conclusion. A professional door replacement service in Bartow ensures that your project will be completed smoothly, efficiently, and to a high standard. From helping you select the perfect door to expert installation, attention to detail, and ongoing support, hiring professionals takes the hassle out of the process and gives you a door that enhances both the aesthetics and functionality of your home. If you're considering replacing an old door, working with experts guarantees that your home improvement project will provide lasting value and satisfaction.